In the previous video, I created a pipeline and it only had one step, which was a script, and it just had a message, hello world or something. In this one, I will create again a pipeline with two jobs, and that is what we will see. So what I will do is I will edit the existing pipeline and I will create a couple of jobs. So this is job one, and I will name it first job. I will give a timeout, which is 10 minutes. I will give a bash command and I will give basically I will print some text. I will print the echo first job. So the first job is the text, and similarly for the second job, I'll print our second pipeline, and then I will save the YAML file. So I did save the YAML file to the repos. So when you save it, you can commit directly to the master branch now. So I'm just saving it so that we have the YAML file in the repos, and then I run the pipeline. So now we have two jobs, first job and second job, and it's still both the jobs are still waiting on the agent. It takes some time to acquire the agent. And when I click on now second job, you can see it has a green mark. So that means it acquired the agent and it has run. And you can see the second pipeline, the text, whatever we gave has run. So basically the second job is completed and even the first job is completed now. It has printed the first job. So that is how basically a pipeline works. So this is very similar to my previous video wherein I just had one script running. Here I have two jobs. I configured both the agents to run on the agent which is Ubuntu latest, and both the jobs run. And in the repos, you can see that this YAML file, as we have committed, is there in the repos. So that's for this video, guys.